Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you're constantly feeling bogged down by a never-ending to-do list, well, get ready, because today we are mapping out a radically shorter workday. I want you to literally imagine closing your laptop at 2 p.m. and actually being done for the day. Sounds crazy, right? Seriously, I want to direct this question right at you. Take a second and really think about your current workflow. What if you could finish an entire day's worth of work in just a few hours? I know, it sounds almost too good to be true. We are all so used to the grind, just endlessly juggling tasks, that a 4-hour workday seems completely impossible. But we're going to challenge that current workflow right now and set the stage for a major paradigm shift in how you operate daily.
So imagine having this highly capable, tireless assistant seamlessly handling your email writing, summarizing those hour-long meetings, creating your videos, designing graphics, organizing your chaotic schedule, and just automating all those little repetitive tasks. In today's Explainer, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can save hours every single week by delegating this exact list to AI. You'll finally be able to focus purely on what actually matters most.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap to build your virtual team. We'll start with the automation promise, move into mastering communication and admin, accelerating content creation, supercharging research and tasks, building your personal AI team, and finally, wrap up with the human advantage. All right, Section 1, the automation promise. Today, we are breaking down 10 really powerful automation hacks sourced directly from the AI Success Hub. And as we go through them, I want you to keep this quote in mind. The final hack could completely change the way you work. I absolutely promise you, sticking around to the end of this explainer is going to fundamentally shift your entire productivity mindset. We are building up to something huge with hack number 10. Moving on to Section 2, Mastering Communication and Admin. Okay, if you regularly lose hours to the absolute black hole that is your inbox, Hack 1 is your lifeline. And this brilliantly illustrates the shift. The old way meant spending 10 agonizing minutes trying to draft a single, perfectly worded email. The new way? Getting it done in less than a minute. By using tools like ChatGPT or another AI writing assistant, you can instantly draft professional emails, summarize those crazy long thread chains, or even rewrite your message in different tones, literally in a matter of seconds. 10. That is the number I really want you to focus on here. You're taking a 10-minute agonizing manual process and reducing it to mere seconds. When you multiply that 10 minutes by the dozens of emails you send every single day, you can immediately see the stark contrast and the immense value of these tools. You are quite literally reclaiming hours of your life back from your inbox. Then we have Hack 2. We all know meetings can easily consume massive chunks of your week. But what if you had AI meeting assistants step in to automatically transcribe the entire conversation, generate concise summaries, and clearly list out action items? It transforms your workflow. It means instead of frantically taking notes and missing the nuance of the conversation, you're free to just be present. You can focus entirely on the discussion at hand, or, realize that the meeting definitely could have been an email. Now, let's group hacks 7 and 8 together here because they beautifully tackle admin automation. If you're stuck repeating the same digital tasks every single day, listen up. Automation platforms can connect your favorite apps so that, for example, when someone fills out a form, their info instantly syncs to a spreadsheet, your CRM, and a notification system with zero manual work on your end. Couple that with AI assistants that actually manage your day, your tasks are auto-prioritized, deadlines are monitored, your daily workload is planned out before you even open your laptop. All that behind-the-scenes organization is handled, so you never have to sit there wondering, okay, what do I do next? Next up, Section 3, Accelerating Content Creation. If you're a creator or marketer suffering from creative drain, Hacks 3, 4, and 5 are absolute game changers for you. Hack 3 uses AI to instantly generate social media captions, hashtags, post ideas, and even full content calendars so you can publish consistently. Hack 4 utilizes modern AI video tools to completely transform your text scripts into professional videos, complete with voiceovers, animations, and subtitles in just minutes. It's perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikToks. And Hack 5 uses AI image generators to spin up original thumbnails and graphics from simple text prompts. This alone is going to save you countless hours of design time and cut out some really expensive outsourcing costs. Let's move to Section 4, Supercharging Research and Tasks. For the students, researchers, and professionals doing heavy lifting knowledge work out there, just think about the volume of time you save here. Manual review means spending hours reading a dense 50-page report line by grueling line. But Hack 6 introduces instant AI summaries.
The AI can extract the key points in just a few seconds. When you are dealing with massive documents and need the bottom line quickly, this hack is a total lifesaver.
And that leads us right into hack 9, research in minutes. We all know the absolute pain of having 20 browser tabs open, trying to piece together fragmented info. Well, say goodbye to that. AI research assistants can now gather information, compare sources, and provide beautifully organized summaries way faster than manual searching. But, and I must firmly remind you of this, always review important facts before relying on them, especially if you're doing professional or academic work. AI is an incredibly powerful assistant, but at the end of the day, you are the final editor. All right, section 5, your personal AI team. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is it's exactly what we've been building up to. The ultimate productivity secret, hack 10, is that you shouldn't just rely on one single AI tool. You need to build a customized workflow of distinct virtual team members. Think about it. You have one AI tool acting as your writer for emails and posts. Another specialized AI is your researcher summarizing reports. A different one is your video editor, animating and subtitling. You've got a designer generating images, and another acting as your administrative assistant for scheduling. Together, they function exactly like a highly efficient virtual team working collaboratively to help you complete projects exponentially faster. It's literally like having your own agency.
And finally, section 6, the human advantage.
As we step back and look at this powerful workflow, it's really important that we reframe how we view automation. So the crucial point is this: artificial intelligence isn't about replacing people. It is fundamentally about eliminating the robotic, mind-numbing, repetitive work that constantly bogs us down. By handing all those mundane tasks over to your virtual AI team, you free up your schedule and your mental bandwidth so you can spend more time doing what humans actually do best: creating, learning, and solving meaningful problems. It is truly about unleashing your full human potential.
I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. We've covered a ton of ground in today's explainer, from writing instant emails to essentially building your own virtual agency. So, which AI automation hack will you use first? Seriously, don't wait. Pick just one of these 10 hacks, apply it today, and start reclaiming your time. Thanks so much for tuning into this explainer, and hey, here's to your new, radically shorter workday.